Okay, so A wants us to find the expected value. Notice that it says find. So we have to show some math. And so remember that the expected value is R, is the row, the total of the row, times the total of the column, divided by the grand total. So 40 plus 20 is 60, plus 10 is 70. But they want females. That's a waste of, well, I need to do that because I can find a total. And now 15 and 15 is 30, plus 20 is 50. So there's 120 total, right? And then we just want to know about volleyball, that's 35. So it's simply going to be female volleyball players is going to be 50 times 35 divided by 120. Okay. So 50 times 35 divided by 120 gives me 14.58. And so if I go to 3 sig figs, that would be 14.6. There's no units, okay? Now it says write down the p-value. So what you need to go is you need to go to matrix and then create a matrix and then put all these numbers in here and then go to stat testing. And remember, there's a two-way deal. If you are using the TI-84, we go to C for chi-square, and my p-value is equal to 0.07. Okay, now we have alpha is equal to 0.05, and if I go on a number line between 0 and 1, here's alpha 0.05, here's my p-value. 07. And so this area here, we keep the HO. And so in statistics talk, we will fail to reject my HO since my p-value is greater than my alpha. Now, if you don't know the difference between a greater than and a less than sign, then write the word out. Okay, you have to remember that if it's before here, we reject. And if it's afterwards, we fail to reject. Okay, you have to remember that. Okay, the way I remember it is I tell my students that here this is 0.05. So this is 5 and this is 95, right? And so rejection is a small part of it. We want to make sure we want to reject it. So it's the smallest part. So 5 is less than 95, so we reject. Okay, you need to remember that.